Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you guys have missed me on here. It's been a long time you guys saw my face, and I just want to say that I'm sorry for that. So I'm back and I'm ready to get these videos going for you guys. So today I'm going to be unboxing some jewelry that I got from a company called Ana Luisa. Now, you guys already know that I've worked with this company not once, not twice. This is the fourth time or the fifth time that I'm working with this company called Ana Luisa. Now, you guys already know the gist of this company. This company is exceptional when it comes to jewelry. So, I actually have another package here from the company for their Black Friday sale. I'm going to attach a link that will take you straight to the company's website for you guys to shop for their Black Friday sales. So you'll be getting tons of discounts. All of their gold jewelries are 14K gold plated jewelry. So be rest assured that all the quality you're getting from them is nothing but the best. Okay, so this company actually stands by what they say that they are. Okay, when I tell you their pieces are fabulous, you guys trust me on this. Okay, Ana Luisa is just a very prestigious company. Yeah, this is how it came. This is the packaging. So and then also it comes in this tiny box. As you can see in that corner, I also have one of the previous boxes that I've gotten from Ana Luisa, which lasted for about a year now. I'm going to show you guys like one or two pieces that I've been using and I've been rocking for such a long time. So yeah, in here are the new pieces that was sent to me from Ana Luisa. So let me just go straight ahead and show you guys. So it comes in this box, and then when you open this up, this is what you get inside. So yeah, I have in 3 pouches here. As you can see, they put this in some new pouches. I've never gotten pouches like this from Ana Luisa, but when I tell you, this one is even a much better quality. I love the fact that the metals on here are magnets. Can you guys hear that? It's magnetic. Okay, so let's start with this piece right here. So here you just have the Ana Luisa written on here, and then when I open this up, what I have here is the earrings. Okay, so it comes in this tag, but I already went on to like remove the earrings from the tag because I'm going to insert like some close-ups for you guys to see the earrings actually on my ears. I dedicated a different day to shoot all of this jewelry so you guys can actually see what they look like. So this is the very first pair of earrings that I got from the company, and it just looks like this. I'm going to leave the correct price of these earrings on the screen so you guys get to see what it looks like. So this is what this jewelry looks like. So I'm gonna attach a close-up video so you guys can actually see how this earring looks on my ear. Gorgeous. Like, this jewelry just goes with anything. Like, this earring goes with any outfit. I'm putting on like a white gown with some stones, and you can see how gorgeous this earring looks. I hope you guys could see clearly from the close-up video that I attached. So this is what this earring is looking like. As you guys can see, it's just beautiful. Like, the quality of these earrings remain the same. Like, all of Ana Luisa's jewelry is just top notch. Right, so the next jewelry that we have here is a bracelet called the Aura bracelet, and it comes in this pouch as well. I'm going to open up this pouch and we're going to see the contents in it. What you get is a card from Ana Luisa, and it just says, "We hope you like our new Aura bracelet as much as we do. Just in case the fit isn't perfect, we've included some additional links to adjust the size of your bracelet. We recommend taking this piece to your local watch repair shop for resizing." The Ana Luisa team. So this is what came in this message, in this card, I believe. Sorry, this is what came in the card, if you guys can see that. As a matter of fact, this card actually is correct. Okay, so everything that I wrote in this card is true. They did include some extra links. Okay, so this is the Aura bracelet, and this is the Aura bracelet, and they included extra links just in case this one doesn't fit your wrist. All right, you guys, so we're going to look at the very last piece that I selected off Ana Luisa's website, and it comes in this pouch as well, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to open this up and I'm going to show you guys what I got. So this is a pair of earrings. As you guys can see, it's just like a hoop earring. I'm gonna put this on so that you guys get to see how this looks like on my ears. Okay, so if you want to see that, then stay watch. Guys, I have to come in a bit closer so you guys get to see the earrings. So this is what the earrings is looking like. As you can see, it's like in the form of a hoop. As you guys can see, it's just beautiful. Okay, so this earring goes with anything. Once again, Ana Luisa always makes more of like dainty pieces. All of their pieces are usually very, very small. So if you guys don't mind that, then you have to make sure you rush to Ana Luisa's site and pick up one jewelry for yourself, for your mom. You can gift anybody in your family or your friends any jewelry from this company called Ana Luisa. So this jewelry can be styled in any way. As you can see, it goes perfectly with the outfit that I have on. So any outfit you choose to style this earrings, go. Okay, it doesn't really matter. They're gonna be having a Black Friday sale. I'm gonna attach the link below this video that just takes you straight to their website so that you guys can get all of their discounted deals on all their jewelry pieces. So make sure you stop by Ana Luisa. You can go follow them on Instagram. You can check them out on Instagram at Ana Luisani. You can also check them on their website at analuisa.com. So yeah, you guys, I believe that's all that I have to say about this company. So please rush down to this company, tell them Kiki Berry sent you, okay, and make sure you get a fabulous jewelry for yourself, for your mom, your sister, or anybody at all. Okay, so yeah, that's all I have to say about this company. I also want to say thank you very much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video once again. You guys have been nothing but the best company. Thank you for trusting me.